Good morning to all. Very good morning. Very good morning, Abigail.
Good morning.
Jehovan. A very good morning. Ezekiel, good morning. Everyone, good morning. Good morning. So, yeah, we'll start the class. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. So, we were doing some questions. So, we were doing Heron's formula. Yes. So, we'll do some questions based on Heron's formula first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
And sir, you told us to remind you. You told us to remind you that we have to do some sums on long division.
okay. Great. Yeah, long division method. So we did the question with the prime factorization and long division, na? Yeah. So we learned long division also, so, but we'll do some questions from on it. So I want you to do this from long division method. Find this with long division method. Quickly do this. Turn on the camera, everyone. Yeah. Quickly do it.
Now, what is this? We're supposed to find the root.
Root of 576 with the long division method. I taught you, na? Long division method.
Okay. We are doing this chapter now.
Yeah, we are doing this chapter only. We are doing, but because it's so much roots are there, na? So how to find root? That we are looking after it. Okay. Just give me a second.
Done, sir.
Done. You got the answer.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. What's the answer?
24, sir.
Yeah. So Ezekiel, you got it, or you want me to do it?
Sir, yeah, I know the root already actually.
You
I know how
know,
to do
na?
it
But
also.
with this method, long division
Yes, you
method.
just did 576 then 2, and then you got the answer, and then divide that again, like that, right? And then you group it and
Okay.
multiply it, right?
Yeah, but let me give the hard one now. Okay, do this question. Today my back is why it's not working. Back back pain is there. Ah. Yes. Jahan, you got the answer? No? Any trouble? You want my help? Yeah, tell me, please. Shall I do this question?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, perfect. So listen, guys. Those who don't know, you guys can pay attention on it. Okay. So, for example, the question is how to find the roots. First, we have to do the pairing. So, how will you do the pairing? So, pairing is gonna be like this. First pair from right hand side. So, 0 1 will become one pair, and then 9 8 will become one pair. Understood, Jahuan? No. Okay.
Yeah, yes,
And
sir.
what's the answer?
Is it 99?
Yeah. Good. So Jahovan, now 98 is there. So the first step is to find the squares. So what is one square? One square is one. What is two square? Two square is four. What is three square? It's nine. Four square, 16. Then 25. Then 36. Then 49. Then 64. And then 81 and then 100. Understood, Jawan? Did you understand? We just wrote the squares. Now you can see that 100 is greater than, because 98 is one pair, no? So 100 is greater than 98. So we'll use the smaller one. So we use the 81. Understood? So it will become 9 nines are 81. Understood, Jawan? Yes or no? Jahan, did you understand, beta? No? Sam, you are late, bit. Why?
Sir, I'm so sorry, sir. I woke up at 10 o'clock, sir.
Oh, good, good, good. That's no problem. You woke up 10 o'clock. It's okay. So we were doing some question based on the long division method. Okay, so today we'll do the graduation in it. I mean, we did primary class in the previous class. Then today we'll do the secondary in the long division and graduation also. So it means that hard question I will give. So yes, Jehovan. So first I will write 99 square as 81. Yes or no, Jehovan? Are you there? Did you understand? So I will subtract it, and if I will subtract it, then it will become 1701. What I did, I take out this 01 also here. Understood, Jahuar? Yes or no? Did you understand? Now what I did, now the 9 I multiplied, no, I have to add here. Whatever the number I will multiply it, whatever the number will quotient will come, you have to add it. So it will become 9 plus 9, which will become 18. Understood, Jahuar? No. Now you have to choose any number from 0 to 9. So choose any number, Jahuar.
1.
1. So if you will choose 1, so it will become 181 multiplied by 1. If you will choose 4, so it will become 184 multiplied by 4. Whatever the number you will choose, it will become the ones place for this number, and the same number you have to multiply it. Understood, Jahan? Okay. So if you will choose 1, so it will become 181, which is 2 smaller than 1701. So you have to choose another number. So tell me another number, please.
9.
Yeah. So 189 multiplied by 9, if you will do, so it will become 1 and it will become 8. This will become 0. This will become 8 and this will become 1 and 1701. So it will become 189 multiplied by 9, which is 1701, and it will become 0. As I told you, the 9 which I multiplied, I have to add here. So it will become 9 again. So it will become what? 198. And the final answer is this one, which is 99. Understood, Abigail, Sam, Jehovan?
Sir, can you
Shall I
repeat, sir?
give? Yeah, which
So
part
was
you
this the long
want?
division method?
Yeah, this is the long division method.
Wait, so
You are doing with the prime factorization. Can you show me your
this is
copy?
not the method, right?
No, this is the
Okay,
method.
okay.
That's why I'm saying. That's why I'm
Okay.
saying the method which you are doing, it's its limited method, Ezekiel. It's
Okay.
limited method. Why? Because 9801 is a perfect square. Like 99 square is 9801, na? So it's a perfect square. But if I will give you 9802, then you're not able to get the perfect square, no? Then you will not get the answer. But with this method, we can get any number square root answer. Okay, so that's why I'm encouraging you to do this method, not the prime factorization method. Okay, yes, Sam. Sam is asking something. Yes, Sam, please ask me.
You can just repeat yourself. Or I mean, understood.
Yeah. So first we did the pairing. Like from right hand side, I did pairing, so it becomes 0, 1, and it is 98. Okay. Then I wrote the square root of the numbers. 9 square is 81, which is smaller than 98 because 10 square is 100, which is greater than this. So I chose 9 square, 81.
Sir, I couldn't
Understood,
hear.
Sam?
Say that again, sir. Couldn't hear what you said. Can you say that?
See, 100 is greater than 98, no? Yeah. So I'll choose 9 square. Okay, 9 square is 81. So 9 nines are 81. Okay, and then when I subtract it, I got 70, and 0, 1 just came down. Understood?
Huh? You put 81. It looks like 180 rupees. Is
This
it
one?
181 or 81?
No,
I
no,
see the
it's
number, but
only okay. It's
is that
81.
bracket?
Basically, it's a bracket showing that we subtracted. I'll,
Okay.
I'll, I'll make it correct. Okay, now it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, and then 9, which I multiplied here, I added here also, so it become 9 plus 9 is 18. Understood? Okay, and now I chose, like for example, I asked Jehovan to choose any number from 1 to 9. So he choose first one, which is 181. Like how it become 181? Because he choose 1. So 181 multiplied by 1. If he choose 4, then it become 184 multiplied by 4. Whatever the number he will choose from 0 to 9, it will come at the ones place, and you have to same number you have to multiply it. Understood? So then he choose 189. Means he choose 9, so it become 189 multiplied by 9.
So
So
you can choose any
189,
number.
any number from 0 to 9, any
Why?
number.
We'll get the same answer whichever number we use.
Sorry, say it again.
Like if we use why are we multiplying 9 into 189? How did we get 189 in
Well,
the first place?
see, why we multiply 189 into 9? See, because 9 is the number he chose, and if you will check that 9 nines are 81. So in the ones place, here is also 1, and 9 nines are 81 is also there 1. So that's why he choose 9 only. You can choose any number from 0 to 9, any number. And you can check it's smaller than it or it's equal to that. Okay. If it is bigger, don't use that, just use the smaller one to that. Understood? Okay. Yes or no? And then we simply multiply. I'll give one more question. I'll give one more question to clear your doubts. 97. Oh, I told the answer. Okay, you guys do this. I believe you will not able to do this. Abigail, you got the concept of long division method?
Yeah, sir.
Guidance.
I,
Okay.
I just haven't done how to do it with numbers which are not square roots.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, I'll
the
do it. Decimals one, no? Yeah, I'll help you. Just we'll do this little bit, this thing, then we'll jump to that numbers also.
Answer.
Done. Wow. So what's the answer?
It's 93.
Okay, great.
You have to do it.
Johan? Yeah, I'll do it one more time. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yeah. Johan, you got the answer?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Okay, so Ezekiel will tell me the step by step, okay? Ezekiel, what is the first step?
We'll take 9 because 9 and 81.
No. First step is you have to pair from the right hand side. So it's 49 is the first number, and the
Okay.
second number is 86. Okay, so I'll make the figure for you. Yeah, now what's the number? Yeah, now
For
what's the
what,
step?
sir?
Next step?
Will we take a number which is can you sorry can you
No.
we'll take like a number which is like roots with it close.
Hmm.
So for 86 we can take 9 into 9 and for 49 77.
So 9 into 9, it will become 81, and then 5 will be remainder, and then 49 will come down. And the 9 which you multiplied, you have to add it also. So it will become 80. Yes, is it correct? I'm doing.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Next, I was not able to catch on from that, sir.
Yeah, from next, now the next step is you have to choose any number from 0 to 9.
Okay.
Any number.
I take 9. 9.
If you take 9, it will become 189 multiplied by 9.
Why 189?
Because you choose 9. 18 was already there,
Okay.
and you chose 9, so it becomes 189. Understood? No.
Yes.
So if I will multiply it, just now we did, it was 1701. So it is too big. So I have to choose a number which is smaller than that.
Okay, 3.
So if you will choose 3, 183 multiplied by 3, it will become 183 multiplied by 3, it will become 9, 4, 2, 549. It's
Okay.
correct. So it will become 183 multiplied by 3, which is 549, and it will become 0. And the 3 which you multiplied, you have to add it, it will become 186. So the last final answer is 93. Understood? No.
So what if we took, instead of 3, we took, let's say 4?
If you will take 4, 184 multiplied by 4. So it becomes 60 and then 133 and then 3. It's bigger than that.
Okay, so basically it has to be the same number or smaller.
Yeah, smaller or same number. Correct.
And the root is 93, right?
Yeah, root will be 93.
Okay.
Where were you, Joshua? Today you are too late. Sorry, sir. I was woke up late. Yeah, because it's
Sir, I
Monday, no?
was out of station.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's not about out of station thing. It's a Monday. Like Monday, Sunday we have a good sleep. Even though we were in the church, but in the church also we were sleeping. I mean, yeah, I can understand. Just kidding. Huh? It's a joke. Okay, don't take it seriously. Okay, yeah. So we'll do one more question. Okay. Now it's a eighth class question. Okay. Let me check who can do this. Joshua, did you understand that concept?
Go back to one last thing you need to.
Yeah, just give me a second.
sir, I watched the first part of the class because I couldn't listen this time. After this class, I'll watch.
Hmm.
Sir, Is
Yeah.
this a new question?
Yeah,
Or
this is the previous question which Sam wants screenshot, and then we'll do this.
okay.
Like, try to do this like we did with the long division method na, in the previous Friday class, which I believe that you forgot everything. So just try to do this, and then we'll do it with everyone. Okay.
Okay.
Jahan, are you getting this or not?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Oh, great.
Ah,
See,
so
this is
how
the
will we
question.
pair these numbers?
So we have to pair from the right hand side. So it will become this two first, and it will remain single. Bachelor life.
So for
So yeah.
no, you were
So
saying.
now we have to take a square which is smaller than 5 because 5 is a single number, no? Understood?
So we are doing long division, or
Yeah, we are doing long division.
so then we should have another number, right? Other side.
Okay, for Joshua, I'm doing this. Okay, and you guys just do it. Okay, Joshua, first we just pair it. Like 81, I pair, 80, I pair, and 5 because 5 doesn't have any other number, so I just wrote 5 here. Okay, now you have to choose a number. Like you have to do squaring. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. And if you will see, the first number is 5 and the 9 is greater than this. So you will not take 9, means you will not take 3 square, you will take 2 square. So you will write here 2, 2 the and 4. And it will become 1. And whatever the number you multiplied it, you have to add it here. So it will become plus 2, which is 4. Understood, Joshua? No.
So why do we need to use square?
It's a step to solve this.
Okay.
So when you will square it, then only you will get the answer. This is a step.
Okay.
Okay. Now 80 will come down because they are in pair. Okay, 80 will come down. Okay. Now now we have to choose any number from 0 to 9.
Sir,
Yeah.
why won't 81 come down?
Because right now first we have to solve these two pairs. No, these are
Okay,
the
okay,
like after the step when we solve this, then they will come down.
okay.
Yes, Joshua.
Okay.
Tell
And
me. Any
and
number from 0 to 9?
any number from
0 to 9.
5.
So if you will take 5, so 4 was already there. It will become 45 multiplied by 5. Understood? No.
Okay.
So it will become 5, this will become 2. So it will become 225, which is greater than this. So you have to choose any other number which is smaller than this number.
No.
Tell me any other number.
So from any other number.
Yeah, any number from 0 to 9 because we got that 40. You chose 5,
Okay.
so it becomes 45 multiplied by 5 and it is greater than this. So you have to choose any other number which is smaller than this.
Awesome.
Yes, Joshua?
7.
7 will become more greater, no? If 45 is getting 225, so
So 1.
take any number smaller than this. If you will take 141 multiply by 1, which is 41, which is 2 smaller than 180. There might be chances that you will get a number which is greater than this and smaller than this.
Sir,
Yeah,
where did we get 41?
because he chose 1, so 4, 1,
Okay.
41 into 1. Yes, Joshua, any other number which is greater than 1 and smaller than 5?
Mm, 4.
If you will choose 4, so it will become 44 multiplied by 4. So it will become 16 and this will become 176, which is very near to this. So yes, I will also take go for 4. So 44 fours are 176 and the remainder will be 4. And now this pair 81 will come down and the 4 which I multiplied it, I will add it here. It becomes 48. Understood, Joshua?
Okay.
Okay. Everyone understood? Sam, Ezekiel, Jehovan, till here, you understood? Did you understand, guys? Yeah. Now, now you have to choose any other number, Joshua. Again from 0 to 9.
That is smaller, right?
Yeah, 0 to 9 you have to choose which should be equals to this or smaller to this.
Mm. So Jahavan said something.
No, I want from you.
Okay. Uh, so equal to this also, it's
Yeah,
okay.
equals to is also okay. Any number from 0 to 9.
5.
If you will take 5, so it will become 485. Okay, 48 was already there. Okay, 48 was already there, and you chose 5, so it will become 485 multiplied by 5. Did you understand? No.
Okay.
Hmm? So it will become 5, it will become 2, it will become 2, and it will become 4. So it will become 2425, which is 2 great from that. Understood? You need a smaller number or equal number to this. So any number?
Mm,
Yeah. Yes, Ezekiel.
So basically, the number we choose, we have to add it and we have to multiply it. Like if we choose
Yeah,
5, we have
not
to make it
add
485 and then do 5 into
it.
485.
Yes, this is
Oh,
correct. You don't have to add it. You have to put that number in the ones place. You chose 5, so you are putting that 5 at ones place, and then you have to multiply with the same number 5. Understood? No. Okay. Yes, Joshua. What number you're choosing?
so 3.
If you will take 3, then it will become 483 multiplied by 3. It will become 9, and then 4, and then 2. It will become 1249, which is also 2 great than this.
Then the last one we can take is 1, right?
If you will take 1, so 481 multiplied by 1, which is again become 481, which is the same number. Wow. Understood?
Carelessness.
So 481 multiplied by 1, and then you have to add the 481 into this. It will become 482. And the same 481 you are getting, it will become 0. So this is the answer, 241. Abigail, you got that? Okay. Jahovan?
I got it.
Okay. Mm, okay, you guys do this. Today I will send you worksheet.
And we start with the left-hand side, sir. The left-hand first two numbers, right, sir? For the pairing.
No. From right side, like first pair
Okay,
will
okay.
be 81, then 36, then 4, like this. Not from left.
Okay,
We
sir.
have to start pairing from right side.
Wait, sir, can you go back
Yeah.
to take screenshot? Okay. So every time you have to do 1 square, 2 square, 3 square.
Yeah, first step is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. And then from second onwards, it will become like 2, any number from 0 to 9. That step will occur.
Okay.
For four minus four, is the right? Is that a zero or it should be
Yeah, here I wrote
zero?
0. Why 0, guys?
Okay.
Because 41 multiplied by 1. Because if I will choose 1, which is the lowest number, so it will become 41 multiplied by 1 is 41. Still, it is greater than 36, no? So that's why I choose 0, because less than 1 is 0, no? So 40 multiplied by 0 is 0. So that's why I wrote 0. Understood? No.
But still it will be greater than 36, right?
Which one? Sorry, say it again.
Um, like it will still be bigger than 36, right?
Yeah, if you will take the lowest number, which is 41, like 1 is the lowest number, no? So if you will take any number like 1, so it will become 41. So 41 still is greater than 36, no?
Even 40 is greater than 36, right?
No, it's 40, it's not there. 40 multiplied by 0 will become 0.
Okay.
So 0 is just smaller, no? You got the answer, Abigail?
Absolutely not the answer.
Okay. This is the answer. Johan, you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
I was a little stuck what to do after the 0, but after that I got the answer.
Okay. Sam, Joshua.
Just made one mistake with the answer, else I got all.
Okay. Joshua, where you got stuck?
I got some mistake with the dividing.
Dividing part. Okay. Ezekiel?
Even I got stuck at the 0, that place, but I got it now.
Okay. Now we'll do the decimal question. Okay. Now, first I will do this question and then I will give you some sums on it. So, for example, if the question is, sorry, I'm at weird position because of my back. Today, my back is not with me. I did stretching also, but it's not working. Okay.
So you have a foam roller at home, sir.
Sorry,
Do you have a foam roller at home?
what is this? I never
So
heard about
this
it.
so foam roller is basically it's used for like if like all your joint pains, back pains. It's basically this. It's a cylindrical shape. And it has these patterns on it has patterns on the foam. It helps you ease your back. I've used it. It helps a lot. Probably should
Might
get
be
it as a
there.
way
Might be
along.
there because uh, I mean, yesterday morning also I had, and today morning also I had. So there is one side of a back is there. If I will do something like this, okay, that one
Uh,
point will have that point, the pain.
you play sports or like badminton. So yeah, the back injury will be free.
Yeah, I'll try. Okay, so we'll do the decimal question. Okay, okay. So how will you do the decimal question? Now, just pay attention. Okay, don't write anything. Don't write anything. I'll give you a lot of time to write it down. Okay. Now, if decimal question come, then never write the decimal part in this. Never write the decimal part in this. What you have to do, you have to remove this point, and after point, how many numbers are there? Two numbers are there. So in denominator, two digits 100 will come. For example, if it is like this,
Hundred comes in.
256.252.
How will 100 come, sir?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. For example, if 2562.252 is there, so after point, how many numbers are there? Three numbers are there. So three zeros will come. So it will become 1000 like this. For example, 2.5 is there. After point, how many numbers are there? One number are there. So it will become 25 by 10. Why? Because after point, only 10 will come like this. So in the same way, after point here, two digits are there, 25. So because of that, the 100 will be the number. Because after point, two numbers are. Understood, guys? So it means that, what does this mean? This means that I can write this number. I can write this number as 5. Oh, I can write this number as 5 to 5, 6 to 5 upon 100 root. Understood? Yes or no? Again, I'm
Say
repeating.
that again, sir.
5 to 5, 6 to 5. Like I remove the decimal, no? So after removing the decimal, it become 100. Yes or no? Abigail, are you with me? Yeah. Now, how to solve this? You have to write this whole number, which is 5 to 5, 6 to 5, and then you have to do pairing again, and you have to solve it. Like the same method which we solved. Can you solve it, guys? And tell me the answer, please. Quickly solve this and tell me the answer. got the answer? Just solve this. I'm coming in 2 minutes. Okay, got the answer? Uh, who got the answer?
Sir, can you do it? I didn't get it.
Okay. So first we have to write a number because the first number is 52. So one square is like I have to take the number. So I know that. So uh, I know that 7 square is basically 49 and 8 square is 64. So I will take 7 square, which is 49. So 7 sevens are 49, and then 3 will come, and then 56 will, because it will pair, it will come, and then 7, which I multiplied, I have to add it on the left side, so it will come 14. Okay, now take any number which is from 0 to 9. So I'll take 3.
2.
143 multiplied by 3, which is
But,
12.
sir, oh, I
Yeah.
thought it was 40. We have to put the closest to 356.
Yeah, smaller and closest. So if I find it out that 3 is greater than this, so I will take 2. So 142 multiplied by 2, which will become 284. So I take number as 2, and then 2 will multiply it, so it will become 284. So it will become 2, then it will become 13, no 15. So it becomes 7, 2, 2, 5. And then I will just add, because I multiplied 2, so I have to add 2. It will become 144. Now I have to take any number. So because 5 is there, so I'll take 5. So 144, 5 into 5. So it will become 5 5 is 25, then 2 will come, and then 2 will come, and then 7 will come. 7 2 2 5. So 5 the 5 the 7 2 2 5, and then it will become 0, and the 5 which I multiply, I have to add it, so it will become 1450. So this is the, so basically the number is 725. So if you will do, now what you will do, guys, you have to divide the root like this: 5 2 5 6 2 5, upon root of 100. You can do this. The root was whole on this fraction, so I just simply do write it like this. Okay. Now we got that root of 525,625 is 725, and we know that root of 100 is 10. Root of 100 is 10. Now I have to change into decimals. So this 0 and this 5 will match, and the 1 will go. It will become a point in between that. So it means that the answer is 72.5. What's the answer? 72.5. How I did it? I'm saying it again. See, this 0 and this 5 will match, and the 1 will go to the numerator and become a point, decimal. Understood, guys? Yes or
Sir,
no?
is it only because it's only 10 in the 10?
Yeah, only 1 0, then 5 and 1 0 will match, and the point will go and it become decimal above. Understood, Abigail? No, you didn't understand anything, Abigail.
I understood, sir, but only thing I used 100 and I put 2 decimal points, so I did 7.25 instead of doing
Yeah,
it.
that's because your root of 100 will also be there. No? So the root of 100 will become 10. Understood? And root of become 10, so it means that 0 and 5 will match, like they will cut, and then 1 will go up and it become point. Understood, Jahovan? Yeah, everyone understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, ouch. So today I will send you some question, okay, in the group. I'll ask Meta AI to help me, okay. So I'll send some questions for the maths. Do this long division method. Tomorrow also we'll do the long division also only. Why? Because tomorrow we'll do the long division which are not perfect square. These are all perfect square. You're getting answer 0 in the end. But now we will do the number. Like tomorrow, what we'll do? We'll do the number which is not getting the answer in the 0. Okay, tomorrow we'll do that. So we'll end the maths class. You guys have 4 minutes break. And then we'll start our science class. Till then, bye Abigail, bye Ezekiel. 4 minutes break, come back.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
If the back pain is increasing, so just take like a hot shower, sir. Just make sure the water is concentrated on that part.
Yeah. I will
Okay.
take, I will take, I will take. It's only 1 point, it's not whole. That only 1 point, I'm getting that shock.
Mm. Is
Okay.
that playing sport or like you were bending or something?
Might be some. There is a lot of pit holes right now. The road construction is going on, so because of that, there is a lot of that thing is there. So that's why I have that issue. Because my work is a lot of on the bike, no, and my bike sockers are also not good. So that might be the issue. Okay, come back in 4 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, come back. Quickly come back. Okay, so good morning, Jashron. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Jahoan. Good morning. So basically, Jashron is at one place and Jahoan is at one place. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay. So yeah, what we were doing? Which chapter we were going?
The ACDC stuff, I think. Or just
Oh, good. Today we'll complete that chapter. I believe. So let me just share you that window. So till here, any problem, guys? Till here, are you getting any problem?
sir, I just want to remember at home we have DC, sir, right? We have direct current, no, sir. At
In
home
our
to power
house?
the electronic.
No,
Yeah.
no, we are getting
We
AC.
have okay. AC.
Because if you will get DC now, and if you will get shock, then
We'll go have lunch
then
with cheese.
yes, you will have lunch with Jesus. Good. Yeah. So basically, the DC current is more dangerous than AC. Okay, and DC current has basically 1.43 times the power than AC. Not the perfect value I'm getting, but it's 1 point something. It means that if you're having 10 volt, 10 ampere current in AC, then it will become 14 ampere current in DC. Like the same value, okay, if you will give same volt and same everything will give, then you will get that 14 ampere in the DC wire. It's the same as you're getting 10 ampere in AC wire. So basically, it's dangerous also, and it's only applicable in batteries and all. Okay. Yes, just short, please.
Sir, did you say ampere or is that the same thing as volt?
No, it's different. We'll do the next chapter about electrical energy only. Like next chapter, I mean, not next chapter. We'll do first that thing which we want to do. Um, TMM. First, we'll do the TMM, and then we'll do that chapter. Okay. So I believe next week, from Wednesday or from Tuesday, we'll start that chapter. Okay. Just give me a second. Yeah. Ouch. Yeah. So yeah, we were doing this question. Yeah, today we'll learn about the accident caused by the electricity. Like what all the accidents can happen with the when you are playing with electricity. Okay. So first is leakage of current. Okay. So can anybody read this? Okay, I'll not say anybody because if I will say anybody, then nobody will read this. Okay, Sam has. Okay, Sam, can you read this, please?
From where, sir? The accidents by electricity.
Yes.
Or accident caused by electricity. You may have often heard that several dangerous accidents have occurred due to electricity at home or industries. Such accidents by electricity occur due to the following reasons: leakage of current, short circuit, overload, leakage of
Yeah.
current. Uh, Clear?
Read
Okay.
it. Read.
Of- Often due to continuous flows of electric current in the insulation over wires gets affected and is cracked off, and the wires are left bare. Current leakage occurs through such bare wires. Often these bare wires are in contact with with a metallic surface. Increases
Yesterday,
its voltage.
yesterday only, what we were talking in the church. And there's a good news that after 7 years we got electricity in the church. So thank you God for that, because we were working on the solar energy only, but we got electricity. So yesterday only we were talking about that. One of my bhaiya was there. He was working with the Diwali light. You know Diwali light? There's a series of light used to decorate. They used to decorate. So because we all are first generation, so they were non-believers. So they used to decorate their house. Okay. Now when they used to decorate their house, so there's a series of light was there, bunch of light was there, and he when he put into the plug, they all are working. So without turning off the electricity, he just hold that bunch of light. And when he hold the bunch of light, he got a shock. He got a shock. Why it's so? Why it's so? Because there might be chance that the series of light have cut. Like what is cut? What do you mean by cut? So for example, if for example, if this is a naked wire, this is a naked wire, like copper wire which we saw. Okay, so there is a insulation. Like I'll make the square insulation. There is an insulation. For example, this is an insulation. Okay, the it's not which this color. I'll make this color. So basically, you can see that there are black insulation is there. And if from the black insulation, if there is a chance, like because you are just turning the wire or just playing, twisting the wire, so there may be the chance that this wire got naked, like from here, and you will see and you will see that the naked copper wire is in it's in free state. There is no insulation over that, and because of that, when you will touch the running electricity to this naked copper wire, then you will have a shock. Understood? So this is
Sir,
called as leakage of current. Yes.
insulation means the outside thing of the wire, right?
Yeah, outside covering. Yeah, that is called as insulation.
Continue.
Understood? Yes or no?
So, shall I continue?
Yeah, please.
Mechanics increases voltage to that of a main source. The surface of the metal, if it comes in contact with the earth, allows current flow through the earth. When a person touches such appliances, it gets a severe shock.
Yeah, next please.
Short circuit. If somehow the main and the neutral wire come in contact with each other, there is sudden a sudden huge spark that takes the form of fire.
Okay, now listen, guys. What is short circuit? See, short circuit is like this. If you will see that there is a two types of wire we learned. There's a two types of wires we learned, that this is one phase wire which have electricity, which if you will check it with the tester, then you will find that bulb will glow. And there's another wire called as neutral wire. So when you will touch these two wires, then there is a chance of short circuit. Short circuit means, what do you mean by short circuit? Basically, in an appliance, if I will make a diagram in appliance, so I'll make a diagram in appliance. Just give me a second. For example, this is the bread toaster. Okay, this is a bread toaster. Don't laugh on my this thing diagram. Okay, so what is this? For example, the bread toaster is attached to the this this plug. So I'll make a plug for you also. This is the plug, for example. Okay, and this is the plug. So what happened, there is a two types of wire is coming. This is neutral wire and this is a phase wire. Okay, So what happens? See, guys, that electricity usually, I'll make electricity with orange part. So electricity will flow from this phase wire. It will go to the toaster and it will make a circuit with this black wire to the plug. Understood? This is how electricity works. Okay. But now, because of the toaster it's in use, no? So that's why the electricity will flow through the neutral wire, through the phase wire. Okay, it will go to the electric toaster, and then the toaster will work and the electricity will go to the neutral wire. So this is what the circuit is. Okay, this is make the circuit. Okay, now because of some reason, if the insulation of red wire and then the insulation of black wire got red, okay, and the touch occurs before that, so now the circuit becomes short. Before the circuit was whole, but because now they got attached to each, now they become a short circuit, and because of that, they might have a fire. Short circuit creates spark, and the spark will let them fire. So you might have heard, oh, the building got fire uh, because of the short circuit, not because of bonfire, but because of the short circuit. The short
Yes,
circuit
sir.
happened, create a spark, get the spark got attached to the any curtain or any kapde wala thing, and then it got a fire. Yes, Joshua.
Like, how does a short circuit happen?
See, short circuit is that, for example, this is red wire and this is black wire. Now the insulation is there, but because of the leakage of current, now what is leakage of current? The insulation got ripped off, like there is no insulation now, and this is also doesn't have insulation. So now it got attached to it, like they both attached to each other, and because of that, the spark created, and the spark led to the fire.
So the both of the wires touched each other.
Yes, the both of the wire touch each other, making the circuit short. Understood, everyone? Yes or no? Okay. Now, next
Yes,
is
sir.
overloading. Yeah. Overloading is basically, okay, overloading, we'll understand it like this. For example, if Joshua has a limit, okay, you know gymming, no? Everyone know gymming. What do you mean by gym? Yeah. Huh? And what is the consequences of gym? Also, we know. Okay. So if Joshua has a limit to make a deadlift of 20 kg or 30 kg. We'll take an example, 20 kg and 30 kg. So he can easily do that. Okay. But if Joshua, if a trainer came, Joshua, you can do it. You can do it. Joshua, go for the 40 kg. Uh, so he will try and he will try and he will try and then he will fall. Okay. Right now, I just got a news. There's a actress. She was doing deadlifting of 80 kg, and then she found him herself in the hospital. So because of why? Because it's overloading. Okay, it's overloading. So this is also happen in our houses also. For example, one switch is there. So from one switch, what Indians used to do, they take the extension cord from one switch only. They put the one switch, the extension cord, and extension cord. We got a lot of slots. They put AC also in that slot. They put microwave oven also in that slot. They put computer settings also in that slot. So what? Because of that, now that one socket will have a lot of electrical consumption and makes the overload. Understood? Basically, in our houses, there are two types of switches are there. If you will observe in your house, there are two types of switches are there. First is called as 5 ampere switches. Okay, which will look like this. Okay, if I will show you in my house, yeah. Okay, it's blurred. Remove the blur. If you will see this, this is the normal thing. Okay, normal switch, which is 5 ampere switch. It's called as 5 ampere switch. So it has limitation of only 5 ampere. Can you see this? Are you able to see that? Okay. So this has a limit of 5. You can't attach AC, or you can't attach microwave oven, geyser, big appliances to it. Otherwise, the overload will come on this switch because only 5 ampere current is allowed to pass through it. You can charge your mobile batteries, you can do this thing, but you're not allowed to attach the big appliances like AC, we can say microwave oven, geyser, any other thing which is very big appliance. Some Samsung one TVs there which use 16 ampere. So that use a lot of consumption. Yeah. So and the second type of switch is called as 16 ampere switches. 16 ampere switches, and if you will see that, I'll show you. So this is basically called as 16 ampere switch. Can you see that it's written also 16 ampere? Okay. So it's basically the big switch. If you will see in your churches, you will find that some of the monitors or the amplifier needs 16 ampere. Okay, if you have knowledge about the music system and all, so you will find that some monitors need 16 ampere, the amplifier needs 16 ampere because great power need them. So basically, what was I'm trying to say in the 5 ampere dollars, as we take the example of Joshua, he can't lift the deadlift of 40 kg, 50 kg. Why? Because it become an overload for it. Okay, and because of that overload, he might have some back issue or might have lunch in the hospital. So that's the main thing. Like from the 5 ampere switch, if you are asking for getting 10 ampere, like 5 ampere slot is there. If you are asking them for to get 7 ampere current, then what will happen? Only 5 ampere he can give. The switch can only give 5 ampere, but you are asking for the 7 ampere. Then it will become overload, na? And because of that overload, the wire becomes hot. And the wire become hot, the insulation will get melt, and the insulation get melt, then you will have a spark, and then you will have a fire. So because of overloading also, the fire can catch up. Yes, just Jehovah.
So then how do those extension cables work?
Extension cable, yeah, that's what I'm saying. The extension cable, you can't apply the big appliances. Like computer is not getting a lot of power from that. Okay, that's why we call that if you are using big appliances, don't use extension cable. And if you're using extension cable, it should have a good wire and connect that extension cable to the 16 ampere, please. Connect the extension cable to the 16 ampere, and the extension should be a good material. So like if I will give you one example, I have one extension. Just give me a second. This is 16. This is if you will check this, yeah, this is the extension which I'm carrying. Okay, it's very old. It's from Dubai, I guess, because one of my bhaiya bought that. And if you will check that, it is written. If you will see, if you're able to see that, 10 ampere current you can take out from there, not more than 10 ampere. Understood? So like 10 ampere current means you can not connect geyser through it, but you can connect I guess um, um, microwave oven nearly about 10 ampere. Okay, and if you will see the switch of this, the switch is like this, which is 16 ampere switch. It's called a 16 ampere switch. Understood? So right now I make a that thing which is conversion. But what was I'm trying to say? Uh, this is the main thing that you should know, that don't put many appliances on extension board, or if you are using that, then use a good quality of extension board. Understood? Everyone understood?
Sorry, the 10 ampere limit is per slot or altogether 10 ampere you can't use?
10 ampere altogether, basically.
Okay.
So if I have 4 slot, so each slot 2.5 ampere. And if you will check charger, like I will check my laptop charger. My laptop charger take how much? My laptop charger take input of 3.5 ampere. So I can't connect many laptops, like 4 laptops. If I will attach to it, there might be chance of getting load on it. Understood? No. So you have to see the values are given and it's true values. So many people say the values doesn't matter. If you will not take the value seriously, then you will have good destruction in your house. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Sam, are you there? Okay, I got Sam got hypnotized. Oops. Okay, understood, guys? Yes or no? So now this is all about overload. Now electric fuse. What is electric fuse? For example, if this is a fuse, so basically how the fuse work, I'll tell it to you. So this is the red wire which have current, and I put a fuse in it. Okay, the fuse is like this fuse, and the red wire is going on. So I put a fuse between the red wire. So what is the role of the fuse? For example, our the wire inside in our house. This is our house. Okay, this is our house. So in our house, if our is like that we can only take 15 ampere current through it, not more than 15 ampere current. Okay, and the fuse is there, and fuse has also limit of 14.8 ampere. Understand it like this. Okay, now sometimes there is a, because of that, you might have that voltage up or voltage down, voltage up, voltage down. So because of that, if sometimes current came like 16 ampere, so if fuse is not there, then 15 ampere only we can handle. And okay, now 16 ampere current is coming. So it may give a overload to our house from the power station. If 16 ampere current is coming, it may give a overload to our house and it can burn our house. So we put a fuse between it so that if 14.8 ampere coming, no, this wire will melt. And because this wire will melt, the electricity will not go to the next level. I'm saying it again. This wire will melt like this. Like if 16 ampere current is coming, I put a fuse between it, the wire will melt. Now because the wire will melt, there is no connection between the wires and the current will not flow. Then I have to change the fuse. Understood? Yes or no? So basically, the fuse is a safety device which will help our wires not to catch fire. Heavens wires. Understood? Yes or no? Yeah. So tomorrow we'll do this
Yes,
miniature
sir.
circuit and this electrical appliances. Okay. So we'll stop here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tada, bye bye. Sayonara.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.